What's up, YouTube? Today we aren't on the normal Hypixel server, no. You can tell. This is the home of Shark, Nathan, and Moose. Yeah. So today what we're going to be doing is we're doing bed wars on the servers. Yeah. We've already done bed wars. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Stuff it. So we will do skyblock, I guess. Skyblock 2. And the first skyblock was kind of you don't even want to see it. I don't see the point of this hour. Okay, we'll do small free range it. Good. Okay, guys. First off, this is going to be a skyblock series. Let me know, because I might create a playlist of this, so, yeah. Do you like memes? Because I like them too bad. Oh, enough for a mushroom stew. If this doesn't work, we'll just do skyblock 3. Or maybe we'll just put it. Okay, guys, we're gonna be making a cobble. Guys, yeah. Live to fight another day, Mr. Chicken. Don't need for anything. Just repeating the Minecraft video. Yeah, don't be surprised if Fireboy tries to call me. Okay, Fireboy is my cousin. Is that it? Is that a cobble generator? We need a pickaxe. I think we can produce iron as well. Correct me if I'm wrong. You be saying skyblock, okay? Skyblock. You like skyblock because you can say it. Yeah. Yay! If I do lose this, I'm really well on the island. Comment down below if you think I should make my island I don't know. So recording Minecraft videos, so we can't pick up now. Okay, guys. So, oh, gee, we got a lot of wood. Almost enough to cover this whole suit. Wonderful. That'll do. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry, battle. Just need one crafting table. From here, it's got a stick. Sticks are good for you to make things with them. Oh yeah, so Minecraft, yeah. It's a stick. It's a stick. And we got to pick up, guys. So now it. stuff we can do now. The sky is the limit. Yeah. What do I do? Do you think this will work? Yeah! Why did coal... Sam was trying to get me a coal. Iron? You can get iron from this? Oh, just enough. Just enough. Sorry, guys. Okay. Yeah, that's really useful to know. No, you, 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 Okay, guys. So seriously, we're just gonna stay here. By the way, if you haven't already, if you're new to the channel, yeah, subscribe and leave a like. Fireboy will be happy to be here on Thursday. You good, bro? One time I did this, fireworks came out of a block. That was scary. That's enough for now. Good, good. Okay, what should my objective be? Just gonna mine. Sorry guys, if you don't mind. I'm just gonna get a shovel. Most people don't listen. If you play on PC version, you might be able to see me. The IP is play.vsquadmc.net. Sorry if I said that fast. Okay. And guys, I think keep inventories on. You're good, bro. Your boy's got a shovel. Yeah. Yep. Nope, nope, nope. Yeah. I'm just gonna take off a layer. Maybe one layer. Comment down below if you have a skyblock. Maybe, just maybe, Fireboy will come and say hi if I can't be Fireboy. We don't have Twitters. Yeah. Why not? Anyway, hit subscribe, leave a like, big fat thumbs up. I don't want to see a dislike. Nope. That was stupid. Comment down below. That was stupid. Save my cobble gen. Hashtag save my cobble gen. Nope. I just realized it's gonna burn. And whatever. The wood lives to fight another day. For now. Big boy. By the way, this will be a playlist. Up on the server now, play.vsquadmc.com, and yeah, I'll be playing for the next 10, 20 minutes. Yeah, so this is a pretty dope island. Yeah. Need repeaters. Sorry to break it to you, buddy, but you can't get repeaters. Okay, guys. So, yeah. Down below if you You think I can survive the whole time? I'm gonna think about jumping off the edge. Okay, guys. Listen, guys. We need a stack. Comment down below if you think I've got a stack. Then I've got nothing to say. Comment down below if you think cobble gens are okay. I'm not gonna stay at my island. You gotta prove that you're good. I think I saw on one of Moose's streams you could get like diamonds if you get a certain level. Okay. So maybe keep that back here. Down below if you want to get a roast check for the video. 20 likes and I'll do it. It's gonna be hard to roast check for. So yeah, look at me. Okay, so that cobble gen. If you don't know how to make it, well, I showed you anyway. So yeah. Very likely we'll do a stream tomorrow. Ah, shoot. $20,000 for torches. Yeah, so the video is almost coming to an end. Almost. I never said it was at the end. Okay, so I'm just gonna use that. Did I get the block? Hashtag risks. I have some beef with this island. Okay. Pick up. Okay, so we're just gonna keep mining. So this time we'll do an outro. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. We do another Minecraft video. The next one will be another skyblock. Remember, on there, the IPs play.v squad mc.com. Peace.